Aurora Park. And we're from Detroit, Michigan. We're going to do a little song for you called Tighten Up. Get a chance to introduce all the guys in the band here too. Alright, first we're going to tighten up the drums. So come on, Steve, tighten it up. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to bring Mike in, tighten it up on that bass. Oh, come on here, Bob, there. On that organ. I'm going to put a little guitar in here now. Thick and mellow. Let's do the tango. Turn up now. Come on, let's do it. Everybody get down. Let's do the tango. Come on now. And tighten up. All right. Now we're going to tighten up on that drum here in a second. Once clear, go. Tighten it up, Steve. Mike's going to bring in a little bass right now. Oh yeah, tighten up on that bass. Mr. Bob Kassan, let's bring in that organ here. Let's hear a little bit of John Cheek on that trumpet. How about a little saxophone? Mr. Fred Bergman. Trombone now, Mr. Steve Braun. On to the tango. Come on and do it. You get on down. Do the tango. Come on. Turn up now. Stand up. Thanks everybody for working. We're going to take a short break. Don't go away. We've got a lot more